I'm dying.
That's not good enough for me, so you guys have to do it again. You have to do it when you guys just go to spray.
Yeah.
You just have to, you have to have like, you know, like.
Yeah. Okay.
Have to spasm.
All right. So they have to lie down on their stomachs first, like they're crawling.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Ready? Ready? That was very demanding training. Yeah. Oh, wow, teamwork coaching.
That's the same thing. Hey, ready?
Bumping. All right. Ready? Set.
Can somebody spray us?
Ready, set, go.